982. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, legal section. Do not type this. It's wrong. Okay, next section. Data by system. Hunk tetrad system. Okay, this line right here already existed, but we shortened the constructor. Now we have a reusable hunk tetrad for unit test main derived using a function, unit test main derived using by hand. And here's a shorthand function pointer. Okay, let's go down here. Okay, hunk ring system. So this is the function that takes a ring-shaped explosion and turns it into a hunk tetrad and spits it out right here as an output parameter. Down here, right here in our little loop here, where we're going through every single hunk vector, I got rid of this error message and made a new error message, remove after hunk ring unit test main wired up. I'm still not confident that this code works yet, so I'm going to write a unit test for it, and that unit test is going to be called function hunk ring unit test main in the hunk ring function section. We have an explanation about what this is for. We have some explanation of some tokens further down, or some identifiers further down. Reusable structs are right here. So we have the two hunk tetrads, one for the function call. Oh, for the function call, calculated by hand, level local xy, axy, branches of our explosion, some variables to initialize our lookup tables. Here is our lookup table. Our lookup table has 4 test cases. So unit test table, and then each one of these columns is named after what thing is inside the unit test table, okay? We're going to test the top left, top right, bottom left, and bottom right of our corners, emitting a 4x4x4x4 explosion, ring-shaped explosion in the central level pack. We're going to declare all of these variables that are represented by this unit test table, and we're also going to shorten this unit test table to just UTT, because that's pretty long. And then the test index. We're going to loop through every single test index, of which there are 4, seek to the correct record, relatively offset to the member inside of the table, and then store those in variables. So variables extracted from the current test case in our unit test table. Then we're going to pack stuff into reusable structs. So LXY has LLX and LLY from the unit test table. AXY has all of these 4 branches of the explosion. We're going to pack those in there. Then we're going to call our hunk tetrad function. Then we want to calculate the same value by hand. And then we want to cross-check the hand calculated and function derived to make sure they match. I'm out of time. A longer explanation is here.